Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking a stir-fry udon noodle. This is not a planned recipe and I used the ingredients that I could find in the fridge. However, to my surprise, it came out very delicious. Okay, let's start now. This is a one-person portion, so I only used one piece of frozen udon noodle. Soak the udon noodle in tap water first and then start preparing other ingredients. Half an onion, slice it and then separate the layers. Mince 1 clove of garlic. I have 4 brown Swiss mushrooms that are in the fridge for a while, so I used them for this cooking. I removed the part of the skin that was softened. You can use white button mushroom or shiitake mushroom instead. Cut the mushrooms to slices. Another ingredient I find in the fridge is pork choy. Cut the bottom of the pork choy and then wash it and then set aside waiting for cooking. I definitely want some greens in this recipe, so if you don't have pork choy, you can use other green vegetables instead. I used the pork belly slices for this recipe. However, if you don't want to eat pork, you can use beef or chicken. The pork slices is pretty long, so I cut it to small pieces. Marinate the pork belly with half teaspoon garlic powder, some white pepper powder, half teaspoon cooking wine, and some salt. Mix all the seasoning well with the pork belly and then set aside waiting for cooking. Finally, I used a little bit choy, which is pickled mustard stem, but this ingredient is optional. We also need to prepare a sauce before cooking. 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon water. Mix all the seasoning well with the water and then set aside waiting for cooking. Now we start cooking. Put 1 tablespoon oil to the hot pan. Put the mushroom in and then pan fry until the fragrance is slightly released. Give it a few stirs and then push to the side. Put the pork belly and garlic mince in. Pan fry the pork belly to slightly cooked and then mix with the mushrooms. Give them a few toasts. And then put the onion in, a few toasts, and then put the pork choy in. Toast everything for a few times and then put the udon noodle in. Put in the sauce as well. Remember to stir well the sauce before putting to the pan. Add in 90 ml water. Give everything a few good stirs and then put the lid on and cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid, a few more toasts, and then do a final tasting. Add more salt if needed. Otherwise, put 1 teaspoon sesame oil and the choy in, a few more toasts. The udon noodle is done. Do they look delicious? The richness of the sauce that derived from the pork and mushroom clings to every strand of the udon noodles. The savory and umami flavor enhanced by the chewy texture of the udon. This recipe is simple and very flexible about choosing the ingredients. It is a good option if you want to reduce food waste by just use up whatever that have left in the fridge. I hope you will give this recipe a try and will like it too. If you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!